Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2021 Volvo XC60 T5 Momentum. This is in crystal white metallic with a charcoal leather interior. And we are super proud to say that this has been named an IIHS Top Safety Pick for 2021, along with the S60, the V60, the XC90, the XC40, and the recharge versions of all of those. And the reason why Volvo is so successful across the board with safety is because when they create a safety feature, they want all people to be safe. So they want to avoid accidents at all costs. So there's city safety collision avoidance with low and high speed collision mitigation, cross traffic alert with auto braking, blind spot information system with steer assist, there's lane keeping aid. All of those features are standard across all of the cars. So a Momentum has all the safety features as an inscription, which is super cool. This is a Momentum, and it has the T5 engine, and it has a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine with 250 horsepower. It is all-wheel drive, plenty of cargo space. This one has the climate package. So you get the heated seats in the front and the back, heated leather wrapped steering wheel, and heated windshield wiper blades. This one also has the booster seats. So actually, sorry, instead of heated back seats, it has the booster seats. I forgot. Those are cool though. This also has those cool 20-inch wheels. Memory seating for 2. Your seat controls are here. With all of those safety features, you know, life happens, accidents do still happen. They have the Volvo On Call is on the right and the emergency services is on the left. So if you get into an accident, this car will immediately send your coordinates and you'll be attended to immediately, you know, as soon as the emergency crews can get to you, which is really just a really cool peace of mind sort of thing. This one has navigation. Set your destination there. Heated steering wheel, heated seats. This is your climate control. Drop this down, you have your settings on this side. This is where you can customize a lot of your features, exterior lights, change it to a little bit longer. There's just so many things that you can kind of play with to make this car your very own. It's really cool. The other thing is up here, if you drop down, you have the entire owner's manual. So you can't use it while you're driving because Volvo wants you to keep your eyes on the road and stay safe. But it has everything in here that your actual book has. So, you know, you can choose what you'd like to learn a bit more about, and it's all right there. Really, really thorough and super cool. These are some of the features here. Your start stop, if you like to keep that on, you keep it up here, move it down here. Headrest fold for better visibility out of the back. So those headrests were up and I just put them back down. can even select a drive mode here. Fuel efficient drive, your eco mode. If you want to hashtag kick gas. We'll be moving into electric very, very soon. Over here on the right, you can plug in for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. It's all set up with SIRIUSXM. Well, this is just an absolutely beautiful car, and I'm super proud to be offering you this XC60. Stock number 21203. PortlandVolvo.com has all the information you need, and we hope to see you in soon. I think you'll really be happy with all of our offerings. So thanks so much from Portland Volvo.